Hello, Denise. This is Samantha from Feed Me Leads. I spoke to Gabe earlier today, and he said that you would be the one who should be watching this video. I'm going to keep it really short and sweet. I just want to go through your guys' site a little bit, one of your competitors' sites a little bit, and then I'm actually going to give you 3 ways that you can use today for free to start bringing in more traffic to your site. So often I will send these videos out, and once business owners see what I do, how I do it, and how much work is put into it, that they want to team up. So if you watch this through and feel the same, please do not hesitate to reach out. So without further ado, let's get into it. So here I am on your homepage, kingshipwaterremoval.com, and it looks pretty good. So it looks good, but as you can see, there is not a ton of content on here. It's a decent amount, but Google is going to be basically ranking your site based off of around 200 different factors. One of those key factors is going to be content, and you want your content to be really educational and valuable to the people who come and read it, easy to read. They're going to go through and determine whether or not it is. And you also want to have 1,000 to 1,500 words on this homepage. You guys are almost there. You have 972 words, but we can definitely add a little bit more content and put some good relevant keywords in there as well so we can get you guys ranked for the right stuff. So over here, the keyword I will be using for today's video is mold remediation Phoenix. This keyword alone brings in around 150 searches per month. And so even if you just snag a couple of those people as clients, you could be doing pretty well. So here right at the top, we have our Google Ads. Google Ads are a good way to kind of gain some relevancy and get your name out there while you are waiting for your SEO to warm up. But unless you know exactly what you're doing, they can definitely be a huge money pit, and you're not going to get the best return on investment with them because a lot of people don't trust the ads and they do not click on them as much. So right here underneath that, we have our Google Map Pack. This is definitely a good place to be. You have to be top 3 now to get in there. And in order to do that, you need to have a lot of good quality citations. And so a citation is just when your business is listed on different local directories all over the web. So you can think Yelp, Yext, Yellow Pages. You want to be on those good, highly used, highly trusted directories. And you want to be on more of them than these guys are. And so right down here, we have our Google Map Pack. This is by far the most important. You really want to be up here. Google has come out and said that over 70% of people, when they type something in, they are going to click on one of these. So here we can click on your number 1 competitor for this keyword. We can take a look through their site. A decent looking site, but not a lot of content either. I did a word search on them and they only have 542. So you guys definitely have more content than they do right now. But you could definitely add even more and get more relevant keywords. And also the main way that you're actually going to get up here is through backlinks. And so backlinks are basically a shout out from another website. So basically the web is made up of businesses linking businesses and websites linking websites. You want to get these backlinks from other relevant local high-powered sites. So if a local construction company or plumbing company were to give you a shout out, that would be super valuable for your website. And so if you guys ever try and do this on your own, I highly suggest this tool. This is Ahrefs. Ahrefs cost around $400 a month, but it is very useful, has a lot of good information. And so I typed in the person we were just looking at, RM Raz. And as you can see, they have a lot of backlinks, well over 8,000 from 300 different sites and 1,000 keywords. So we can take a look at these. Here we can see all of the keywords that they are ranking for, how much volume each keyword gets, how much it's getting searched up a month. we can see how much traffic they get from that keyword and what position they hold for that keyword. So as you can see, they have a lot of keywords. We can kind of go through here and see which keywords bring in the most traffic, which ones are the easiest to snag, and we can kind of decide which ones we want to start to integrate into your site so that you can get ranked for these as well. And so just as we looked at the keywords, we can take a look into the backlinks they have. And so here we can go through and kind of do the same thing with the keywords. We can decide which backlinks we want to snag from them. We want ones with a high DR or domain rating. It goes from 1 to 100. So as you can see, they have some pretty good ones here. We can go through, get the best ones. It's definitely quality over quantity, but you still definitely want that quantity too. So we can go through all of your competitors and find the best backlinks from all of them, find a few on our own. And so here I typed in your website. As you can see, you have 39 backlinks from 12 different domains, and you are going for one keyword right now. So let's quickly take a look and see what it is. So sewage cleanup, Phoenix AZ. So as you can see, this keyword doesn't even bring too much volume in right now, and you're not ranked very highly for it. So I would definitely say that using the 3 tips I just gave you would definitely make a huge impact on bringing in more traffic to your site. To kind of recap what those are, number 1 is content, a little bit more content with some more relevant keywords that are going to bring in a lot of traffic. Number 2, get you some more citations, get you on the map pack. And then number 3, we want high-powered, relevant backlinks. So I hope that you enjoyed this video. I hope that you will make use out of the information in it. If you want to possibly learn more or team up, please reach out to me. You have my email. My phone number is 714-975-5909. So I hope you enjoyed. Thank you.